Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook point and kill fish pepper soup. Start by cleaning your fresh fish meticulously, ensuring all impurities are removed. Cut the fish into manageable pieces, roughly 2 inches thick, and rinse them one final time. Place these clean fish pieces in a spacious pot. Prepare all your vegetables and spices next. Finely chop 1 medium onion, dice 2 cloves of garlic, and gather about 1/4 cup of fresh scent leaves, ready for later use. Now let us create the aromatic base that defines this soup. Grind your selected pepper soup spices, use as seeds, ehuru, and yuta pods into a smooth, fine powder. This blend is the heart of the dish, providing its distinct flavor profile. In a separate bowl, finely chop 3 large Scotch bonnets and 1 small red onion. These will contribute both heat and a subtle sweetness. Combine these prepared ingredients, ensuring everything is ready to infuse the fish broth with incredible depth and warmth. With your fish in the pot, add the finely ground pepper soup spices and chopped Scotch bonnets directly over it. Now, pour in about 6 cups of fresh water, enough to generously cover all the fish pieces. Stir gently to distribute the spices evenly throughout the liquid. Bring the entire pot to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to a gentle simmer, cover, and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes until the fish is tender and flaky. Your web browser is another common source of advertisements, especially pop-ups. Open your preferred browser, like Chrome or Firefox, and navigate to its settings menu. Within these settings, look for site settings or privacy and security. Ensure that pop-up blocker is enabled and activate Do Not Track requests for an improved browsing experience. For even more robust protection, consider installing a reputable ad-blocking extension directly into your browser, which can block nearly 100% of common ads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.